Wah!
You get the commander?
No, but this range expander is marvelous. I'm instant messaging my cousin Leon all the way in the Pelican Nebula.
Well, you can tell your cousin Leon that I've been running a background check on Moochie, and I found something interesting. I cross-referenced those venues that he performed at, and they all have one thing in common. They don't exist.
I knew he was an imposter, and to think he wanted to use my sweet, innocent sister who had never even heard a fly. No.
Don't hurt me!
Now just don't move, sweetie pie. After I'm finished, you won't be feeling any pain.
Help! No! Don't! Hey! Freeda? Where'd she go? Somebody get me out of here!
Hey, Chris, you might want to run this through the substance analyzer. Something tells me Moochie's even crazier than we thought.
It's a review from Moochie's show at the Paladonium.
But I thought you said his concert venues don't exist.
Correction, they did exist before they were all destroyed.
But how could that happen?
Because Moochie is a clingindwarfer. His voice is powerful enough to cause mass destruction.
My range expander, it works! But Commander, you told us he was after your comic collection.
I said no such thing. I told you to keep him away from microphones.
Microphones?
I trust that won't be a problem.
No, sir. I assure you, everything is completely under control.
Guys! It's Freeda! She's disappeared!
Oh!
Oh, hi, everybody. Does anyone know where Moochie put his singing suit? What? Why? Because Principal Rollins wants him to sing her song in front of the whole school. Isn't that just great?
On the bright side, as clingindwarfers age, their voices can only do limited damage. Unless, of course, they use an artificial amplification device.
You mean, like the school's PA system?
Klingendorfers? Freeda said something about that.
Yeah, must have been a coincidence. Right now, we must get to the school before it's too late.
Hold on, Smith. You've already bungled this mission enough. I demand you take me with you.
But he's out of VCon range. The only way is your expander.
I've got an idea. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Let's go.
Status report?
I downloaded some more info on Moochie. Looks like he was released from an intergalactic rehab facility just before he married Freeda.
Rehab for what?
Says here he's a singaholic.
A singaholic with a destructive voice? Now that's a bad combination.
Oh, I feel awful. Me and Daddy led him right down the path of temptation. Underneath it all, I bet Moochie's a really nice guy.
Song good.
Huh? What are you doing?
Warming up my voice. For the performance of a lifetime.
Moochie should be right around here somewhere.
We need to make sure the students stay inside where it's safe.
Okay, let's bust him.
No, you wait for me!
Mr. S, what's with the do?
This range expander is the only way for me to communicate with the commander at such a great distance. Now, where's Moochie? Huh? Think I found him? Oh.
Come on, let's blast this guy once and for all!
Hold your fire, Cathy! You'll hit your grandfather!
Mr. Smith, make sure Moochie doesn't get that range expander!
Oh, he won't! I hardwired it directly to my brain!
That's really smart and really dumb all at the same time.
That's Grandpa!
You guys take the front. Danny and I have the back.
There you go, Smith. A front row seat for the concert of the century.
If you don't mind, I forgot to grab my earplugs.
Silence! I've waited years for this moment, and now it is here. It's time to start the music! It's time to light the lights! It's time to sing!
I told you this was a bad idea.
What?
Yeah, I was talking to the commander.
But he's right, Moochie. This is a bad idea.
A very bad idea.
Haha! Yes! Au contraire! Thanks to my new favorite brother-in-law, the entire universe will behold my glory! It's showtime! Whoa!
Let's make sure there's no time for a curtain call.
Yeah!
Hey, you should really watch your mouth.
Nobody disrespects my gadgets like that!
What is that sound? Aha! Oh, that's the sound of my music. The sweet sound of my music.
There's someone who appreciates my singing. Thank you! Easy come, easy go. Besides, my warm-up is complete. Now time for the real show.
What are we gonna do? If he sings into that thing, it could roast the whole universe.
Starting with my grandpa!
And our weapons are useless against him!
Well then, we'll just have to do this the old-fashioned way.
I'd like to dedicate this first number to my lovely wife. It's too bad she couldn't be here tonight.
Guess again, Moochie. Everybody hit the deck.
Neek, you've cured me.
Of course I did, Smoochie Poo. Now come to Mama.
Cured him? You mean you knew all along?
Please, child. What do you think we came to Earth for? I knew my brother's garden was the only place to find a cure for Moochie's little problem. A scooter, a scooter, a scooter, a scooter.
If you don't mind, could somebody get me out of here?
Hold tight, Mr. Smith, and we'll have you out of that foxhole in no time.
May I just say, I am so glad to have you back.
Mr. Smith, I think you're very special, too.
Oh, actually, I was talking to the commander.
A scooter, a scooter, a scooter.
Strange as it sounds, I think I'll miss having the commander inside my noggin.
And we'll miss all of you. Never a dull moment here.
Especially when you're around, Aunt Freeda.
I think this calls for a good old-fashioned family sing-song. Take it away, Smoochie!